Okay.
Actually, I think there are more this way now.
I think the birds are more this way.
It's just sunnier in the south. You could see the
It's
sea
so bizarre, but they're like everywhere.
This is Alfred Hitchcock. Tonight we'll be doing my classic film, The Birds.
Yes, Joseph. Oh.
That's Alfred.
And I do mean lots. I've never seen this before.
No?
Coming back from the beach.
You must be really young. You haven't lived long.
Yeah. Volleyball. Oh well. And here we go. Right here. Look at all these guys. Very pretty. Very, very.
It would be kind of cool to follow one bird.
I can't do that.
And see what they do. I'm gonna try. Here's one. And he or she is just sort of like going back and forth, almost like in circles.
Yeah.
Actually, they're moving that way, a couple of blocks.
Well.
Nope, I've lost.
Excuse me. Very nice.